In your home, you have an Ideal Logic combination boiler. So this is a high efficiency water heater and central heating boiler in one single unit. So the water is heated directly from the mains when you turn on the hot tap. So you don't need a hot water cylinder or a cold water storage tank. So there's a couple of features on here. There is a pressure dial on your boiler that needs to be within the green zone, okay? That's between 1 and 2 bar on the dial. So should this pressure fall, you wouldn't then get any hot water. Be rest assured on this, it's quite usual for the pressure to fall from time to time. So as long as it's not happening more than 4 times a year, there really isn't anything to worry about. It's very, very easy to repressurize your boiler, and I'm going to go through how you do this. Step 1, the valve nearest to you need to open. To do this, turn it towards you 45 degrees. Step 2, the back valve. This will allow water to fill the system to repressurize. Turn that 45 degrees towards you, you will hear the system fill. Keep filling until the valve reaches between 1 and 2. Currently this is 1.5, which is about perfect. You then turn the valve closest to you through 45 degrees to turn back off again. This has now completed the repressurization. The bar is between 1 and 2, and you'll find hot water is now available for you. So there are 4 main dials on your Ideal Logic boiler. So the first one here is the pressure dial. The next dial here is your water temperature. This is your heating temperature here, and if I turn the dial very slightly, you'll just see, there we go, 69, there we go. Ideally, the temperature on this should be within the E, or that's around about 70 degrees. And finally, your boiler function dial, so boiler on, boiler off, hot water, or hot water and heating. So the main boiler switch needs to be on to ensure your boiler is in full working order. This is the power switch adjacent to the boiler itself. So your boiler will be located either in the cupboard on the landing or in your garage. You will also notice that there is a carbon monoxide alarm very close to your boiler, depending on where it's sited. Please ensure that if for any reason gas is present or the carbon monoxide alarm goes off, you need to ensure that you switch the boiler off in this instance to then reset and obviously get the problem investigated. Also, as with all of our appliances and all the fittings in the home, make sure that you register your Ideal Logic boiler with the manufacturer to make use of your manufacturer's warranty.